Hey, hello. Welcome to MiniDevConf 2021. Now we have 20 minutes short talk on liberating SBCs using Debian by Yuvraj. We generally use single board computers for different home and project purposes. But do we know the schematics and PCB layouts? Free and open source hardware like Orimex gives full freedom to all these schematics and designs. Debian also have distributions from these ARM-based machines, which makes this whole hardware and software stack free and open source. So now let us learn more about Orimex images based on Debian by Mr. Yuvraj. Yuvraj is a free software and open hardware enthusiast who is an full stack developer at Free Software Movement of India, Svecha, and also an undergrad from EC background. He lives in Hyderabad and Telangana. We welcome you, Yuvraj.
Thank you, Manu. Yeah, hello guys. I'm Yuraj. Yeah, let's go live. Yeah, hello everyone. This is Yuvraj, a free software open hardware hacktivist from Hyderabad, Telangana. So it's an honor. It's an honor to be a part of DevConf speaker team, presenting a talk for the community. So today I'll be explaining about liberating SBCs using Debian. What is an SBC? SBC is a single board computer. Can slide. So what is an SBC? Yeah. SBC is a fully functional machine built on a single circuit board. So it's like our computer built on a single computer board which fits into our palm, which has a microprocessor, memory, input output ports, the SATA ports, all these things. So it has an HDMI, SATA, network, RJ45 ports, USB ports, all these things on a single chip is called single board computer. So where do we use these single board computers? So we generally use single board computers for experimentations, home automations, robotics, embedded systems. So we generally do projects in our graduation. We use Raspberry Pis. Raspberry Pis are very popular in single board computers. So in the same way, we use Raspberry Pis for robotics. For the embedded systems, we connect them for Arduinos and all these things. We experiment with them. We can use it for home automations. We use it for network attached storages. Network attached storage is like something you have a huge memory block at home. I mean, you have around 20 TB of memory at home, or you have a public IP at home, and you can connect it via a single board computer. Because there are various reasons single board computer is preferred for home automations and home servers. So single board computer take very few amount of power. I mean, in a country like India, we do have electrical surges and power cuts frequently. So these single board computers take only around 5 volts of input. So you may not be needing a power backup or all these UPS, all these things. So maybe a simple power bank can get your work done. So it can do all other tasks like x86 PC can do. SBC is like a normal device, but normal x86 PC, but with a minimal amount of configuration and minimal power. It's a baby machine. These are few popular single board computers: the Raspberry Pi, the Odroid, BeagleBone Black, Olimex. Olimex is an open hardware certified one, OSHW certified. BeagleBone Black is also good one. Raspberry Pi is famous. We have Raspbian OS, all these things. Few other stuff like Asus Tinkerboard, Liber Renegade computer board, Banana Pi, Arduinos, all these things are few SBCs. So these SBCs need an operating system. So where do we get an operating system for these SBCs? For ARM process. There are many operating systems for ARM processors. They may be basing on company, the licensing, or maybe depending on the kernel type you choose, maybe depending on the manufacturer you choose, etc. So we have few Debian distributions in this. ARM OSs. So we can directly install a core. Debian is widely supported. So we have core installer for Debian, which is around 2 to 300 MB, and we can debootstrap things into OS. Debootstrap is like sending the whole contents of Debian into a machine and making it a pure Debian blend. So Debian in a box is an initiative by Jonas Medegar. You can search for box.redbuild.dk, and let's try to install this. Let's try to install this now. So we have Ambien, we have Raspbian. So Debian in a box is like it's an image where you can just copy the contents of it to the pen drive and you can use it directly. So we have a username, we have a password, and we can directly log into our machine. So we have Ubuntu core, we have FreedomBox. FreedomBox work like a catalyst to grow decentralization around the world. So with FreedomBox you can use Mumble, you can decentralize a whole city, whole village, so that people uses free VoIP calls, voice services, all these things. So we have a few other OSs like RISC-OS, Lakka, Arch-based OS, and some Windows stuff, Manjaro, Chromium, and yeah, OpenWR. Yeah, it's a minimal OS for routers. Routers have very small amount of memory. So OpenWRT is an open source router configuration. So why should we use Debian images on ARM processors? So Debian, coming to Debian, firstly, Debian is 100% free software. Debian is fully free software and Debian is fully customizable. So Debian is a mother of many operating systems like Ubuntu, Kali, Damn Small Linux. All these are a part of Debian. So Debian is lighter than other. Debian is customizable. Debian is more secure than other. Debian has multiple release choice. Debian has stable version. Debian has unstable version. Now we have stable burster, and so Debian have thousands of packages. So like you name it, Debian got it. So so Debian has nice community where you can reach them, ask your queries and get them solved. So Debian community is very active over IRC channels. You can go search for them. This is Olimex image based on LXDE. I install on my Olimex. Yeah, this is XFCE desktop environment. Uh, yeah, you can see the ARM processor, ARM V7L, two CPUs, all these things. This is a Cortex A7 model ARM processor. Coming to the Mobian project, yeah, Mobian project is initiated so that Debian is taken to mobiles too. So which is very fascinating. Yeah, Debian project is going to mobiles too. So mobile devices are mostly based on ARM processors. You must have heard of Librem 5, Librem 5 Mini, all these things. And PinePhone supports Mobian project. Mobian project, I'll try to show a few pictures of Mobian. Yeah, this is how the UI of Mobian look. It just looks like the GNOME one. Just looks like the GNOME one. The lock screen, the home screen, and a browser open. The 4G bar, all these things are beautiful. So this is a quick presentation on why we should shift to Debian for ARM processors. To Debian in a box, let us try to install Debian in a box on my Olimex A20 Lime 2 and check this out. So this is like very minimal and pure Debian OS getting it was around 160 MB, I guess. Let us try to install it. Yeah, now coming to the practical part, I'll be showing you how to install pure Debian system using this fork called Debian in a box by Jonas Medegar. I have a SBC, which is a single board computer by Olimex called Olimex A20 Lime 2. I have a fork in this. So this is for Olimex Lime 2, the buster, the stable one. So I'll be downloading this thing and then directly flashing into the memory card. So what we will be needing is three things: the memory card, a computer which has Linux in it, and then internet access. Yeah, that's it. This is neither a fork nor a fixated snapshot. This is directly debootstrapping into your machine. You are just copying it to your memory card and it will be taking care of all the things. So you just need to log in there. We'll start the download and then, yeah, we'll start the download here. Meanwhile, yeah, so this is my memory card. Don't create any partitions, let this be raw. We'll be directly copying it to raw partition. And moreover, remember, don't DD it. I mean, don't use the disk drive or HR or anything. You can directly copy it. So now this thing, yeah, LSBLK gives you the SGB is in this way. Yeah, so what do we do is apply these settings so that it's getting cleared. Yeah, done. So this has become an empty partition now. So there are no partitions, the drive is free and it is raw. So now I'll try to click it again. So you see the SDB as empty. So no SDB1 and no SDB2. We have only SDB and it's a raw partition. Now let us just copy it directly. Sudo copy core line 2 into /dev/sdb. That's it. Yeah, it asks for a password and then yes, it's verified and it's directly copying. So before you copy it, make sure you have unzipped it. Yeah, you can decompress in this way using the gun zip and then you can directly copy it to your SD card. So it may take a few minutes, you just have to wait. So now it's getting booted up using U-boot. U-boot is like a grub. So what U-boot does is it directly boots up the latest kernel installed on it. So it complains about few missing firmware. So this is a base pure Debian. Yeah, we got the box login. Jonas gave us the default username and password. It's Debian. Yes, it asks for a change in password. Super. Yeah, you can now see it. It's ARM processor. It's on Linux 4.19 kernel. It's pure Debian. It's pure Debian, which has no bloatware, nothing at all. You can now install. You can now connect to internet and then install the required desktop environment. That's up to you. You can install i3. You can install KDE and all these things.
Right.
So thank you, Yuvraj, for the wonderful insight of single board computers and also the schematics and design of single board computers. So with an wonderful examples like CoreMX and also showing the installation process is very good. So thank you, Yuvraj. Let's see for some more. Let's see. Do we have any questions from the participants?
Okay, I'll try to add few points. Meanwhile, okay.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
Yeah, you can.
these single board computers are like there are few advantages using these single board computers. They are far cheaper. They are far lighter than any other single board computers. Generally, people use a term called system on chips. But the reason behind I use the word single board computers is like I want to I want to make sure people from Debian community uses Debian as a operating system for ARM processors. So ARM processors are like mostly associated with robotics OS and with other stuff like Raspbian and all these things. But Debian has nice forks where you can use it seamlessly compared to other operating systems. So when it comes to yeah. So when it comes to packages, Debian has hundreds of packages which are not being packaged into other. We have a nice community to be yeah. So we have a nice community. We have many developers in India too. So the one which I have shown you is box.redpill.dk. It's like debootstrapping things. I mean, let me tell you a few examples. So in Debian, you can precede things. So few installations take time, right? So the partition parts, the selection parts, the mirror selection parts, all these things. So what do we do here is we generally write a precede.conf file, um, and then we'll automate the installation part in Raspbian 2. So what you can do is you can directly debootstrap things, or you can directly automate the installation process. So this is how um, you can I mean you can install Debian into SBC. So SBCs like Olimex are not very much available in India, but still you can get it from you can get few. Um, the whole concept of me using Olimex is like it's completely open hardware and is certified by OSSW. So few other projects like BeagleBone Black are coming into this field. So let us all encourage these Olimex devices and stuff. So and moreover, yeah. Do we have any question? Yeah. So moreover, we can consider if you have idea about freedom box is like a small machine. Yeah, when it comes to system on chip can be a laptop, can be a desktop, or can be a small mobile too. But when it coming to single board computers, um, it's not like that. It's not the way it is. So let us take a mobile phone. Mobile phone has Mobian operating system, which is quite recently started. The product is going on. In the same way, we have Purism. So we must all try installing these things and de-googlify our phones. People are I mean, we use mobile phones a lot, but still we use single board devices a lot, but still many of us care about privacy in computers, and people do forget about mobiles and their privacy in mobiles. So what do we do is uh, we generally de-googlify mobile using lineage OSs, all these things. So the Mobian project and Purism is like it's like proper Debian stuff where you can push things and make it completely free software. Yeah. So this is a short session on Debian into ARM processors and single board computers. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Yuvraj, once again for the great insight into the single board computers, giving examples about Olimex and the OS installation in Debian OS. I hope as a part of Debian community, we would rather give contributions to those single board computers by installing and using them. Yeah, thank you.
It's a simple
Thank you.
installation model. You're just
Yeah,
copying the file into it and using it. That's it.
yeah. If you still have any doubts, you can ping Yuvraj through social media handles. It's open. Yeah.